Here's a demo of the headlamp and its ability to focus. Let me tell you, this thing is throwing out a ton of light. Hey, I'm Steve. This is the Danforce Headlamp. This is how it comes to you. I've removed everything from the packaging, and you get the batteries, you get the headlamp itself. Looks pretty cool. Charging cord and some paperwork. Lift this little flap and you have a charging port right there. Let me give you some close-ups of this headlamp so you'll see what you're getting in case you're interested in buying one of these. You've got a power button right here for the lamps themselves. Of course, the strap, the batteries. Of course, the battery pack will be at the back of your head. So yeah, this is a fairly typical headlamp. This headlamp has 4 lamp settings, including the strobe, and all you have to do is just keep depressing the power button and it will take you through the different light modes. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and you get the red light mode. The main lamp on this headlamp has the ability to focus the light beam. All you have to do is rotate the dial and it will focus it into a tight beam or go the opposite way and you have a very wide beam. All right, here is a view of me actually wearing the headlamp. Let me show it to you. Here's a demo of the headlamp and its ability to focus. Let me tell you, this thing is throwing out a ton of light. This is a very impressive headlamp. I really like it. I think you'll like it too. So if you're looking at this Danforce headlamp, I hope you found my video helpful.